Question 7, we've got a number 12.7 and it's been rounded to 1 decimal place. So in a way, this part of 12.7 has been manufactured. Now, where has that 7 come from? Well, the way to think about this is to work out what the next number up and the next number down will be, rounding to 1 decimal place. So if we take our central value of 12.7, the next number up would be 12.8, and the next number down will be 12.6. So clearly the dividing line of whether you go down to 12.7 or up to 12.8 will be right in the middle. And this value will be 12.65, and this value will be 12.75. Now, obviously, if our answer is 12.65, you've got to decide, well, does that go up or does that go down? Well, the rule is that the 12.65 goes up, so our value D must lie between these two numbers, but in addition, it can be equal to this number, 12.65, because if we did get an answer like that, that would be rounded up to 12.7, whereas 12.75 would be rounded up to 12.8. So that's not included in our inequality here. So there's your answer.